has brought forward the most important and latest top 20 news from the month of April. Let's start this month's D&E with beyond the world exploration that has never been achieved in the human history till date. The Mars helicopter Ingenuity, perched under the belly of NASA's Perseverance rover, first landed at Mars' Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. Reaching to the suitable helipad, the Ingenuity performed its first ever historical flight on April 19, 2021. Also, the helicopter successfully executed its second flight on April 22, 2021. DGCA is thinking of giving exemptions from NPNT compliance to drones being deployed from Survey of India, which matches the quality criteria being laid down by the Survey of India under the Swamitva scheme. And even for that, DGCA has also agreed to give any required import permissions to organizations who are keen in importing high-resolution cameras. With a view to conduct safe flight in the Indian airspace, the 66 green zones that have been identified by the Ministry of Civil Aviation have come into temporary effect from 9th April to 30th June 2021 for conducting the operation of RPAS through the Digital Sky platform in conformance with the provisions contained in UAS Rule 2021. Congratulations to the trainers from Pioneer Flying Academy along with Mrs. Saroj Joshi, DGCA officer from Drones Directorate, Shri V. Santharam and Srimati Rashmi, Captain J. S. Dillon from Gatti and Lieutenant John Livingstone from Indian Institute of Drones to have successfully completed the drone instructor course with IGRUA Drone Destination. Adding itself to the NPNT family, the Agri drone THAG-A1 from Daksha Unmanned Systems has been marked as an NPNT compliant drone in the Digital Sky platform. On 5th April 2021, the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India has accorded conditional exemption to Central Mine Planning and Design Institute for the use of drones for surveying coalfield areas of Coal India Limited for acquiring data for monitoring of various activities. Agricopter, part of Maru Drone Tech that visualizes a farmer-centric agriculture solution, received Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana remunerative approaches for agriculture and allied sector rejuvenation grant of Rs 20 lakh for its agri-tech solution on April 7, 2021. Yet another conditional exemption from the Ministry of Civil Aviation has been provided to IOCL to carry out aerial surveillance of Delhi Panipat section of MPL pipeline using drones. Both IOCL and INDrones will be responsible to carry out the safe operation of drones during the surveillance. One of the latest technology innovations in talk in the drone market is the Elasticopter design developed by 24-year-old Suraj Bonagiri of Robotic Research Center at the International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad, having adjustable arms making it able to lift packages of different sizes and shapes. Conditional exemption from UAS Rule 2021 from DGCA has been provided to Indian Council of Medical Research in collaboration with IIT Kanpur for conducting feasibility study of COVID-19 vaccine delivery using drones. New deadline to be set for airports. As per the letter from BICAS and recommendation from International Civil Aviation Organization, anti-drones will be installed at every airport in India. For conducting remote pilot training using drones on 13th April 2021, conditional exemption from DGCA has been provided to the Center for Aerospace Research, Anna University. DGCA has granted conditional exemption to the Kumbh Mela administration for conducting drone light show and also to monitor the crowd using drones. Pune has received 2 drones with cameras from the Central Railway which will be used for vigilance in and around the Pune railway station premises for tracking illegal and suspicious movement. Nagar Nigam of Dehradun, Haldwani, Haridwar and Rudrapur received conditional exemption from DGCA under the provision of UAS Rule 2021 for preparation of GIS-based property database and electronic tax register using drones on April 22, 2021. Conditional exemption and approval of SOP from UAS Rule 2021 has been awarded to PJT SAU from DGCA for carrying out agricultural research activities. The document also mentioned that both PJT SAU and Maru Drone Tech will be responsible for safe operation and legal issues if caused during the operation. On 22nd April 2021, exemptions were provided to West Central Railway of Katni and Kota from the DGCA to use drones at train accident site and maintaining safety and security of the railway assets. According to the India Print, to keep an eye on the infamous mafia don Mukhtar Ansari, AI-based drone cameras will be used to maintain an aerial vigil on the Banda district jail in Uttar Pradesh. The flying of drones and another unmanned aerial vehicles was being banned in Puducherry from March 29 to 30 to ensure security for Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the addressing of the election rally. Conditional exemption from DGCA maintaining the provisions under UAS Rule 2021 has been provided to Vedanta Limited, carrying oil and gas for the inspection of assets and to enhance the safety of personnel using drones. Both Vedanta Limited and DTech Technologies will be considered responsible for safe operations and mishandling or any damage caused during the operation. So friends, that's all we have accumulated for this month. As you all know, the increasing effect of the novel coronavirus is becoming more outrageous day by day. Team Drone Helpline prays for the safety and good health to all our dear friends out there. Ultimately, the greatest lesson that COVID-19 can teach humanity is that we are all in this together. Be safe, do put on a mask and maintain social distance. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. Link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.